Ooh. Yeah, I'm in the toilet. Have a lactose problem, so about to wrap it up. Let's see. I did curls, squats, and military presses at home. I'm gonna do a video of pictures of my little workout equipment here. I'm missing a few items. My cousin got them in his room. So anyway, so I did my second sessions of curls, and I did probably a total of 80 squats. This was with 100 pounds. I'm going to increase probably next week to my outside regimen. And the gym, I'm gonna do heavier weights because it's safer. And I'm gonna start benching, bring my chest out and work on my back. Cause I remember Mother used to say, I look like Shrek from the back. So anyway, had fish and greens and a bunch of water. I'm going probably to eat some more protein, and then I'm going to see if I can keep this shake. It's giving me the worstest gas ever of all time, but I'm gonna want to deal with it because I got a lot of weight to lose. So also I'm gonna do 4 miles walking and running tomorrow because again I have to get ready for the Spartan on the 25th. So hopefully the Spartan CrossFit training should help me lose maybe 10-15 pounds, and then hopefully I can totally lose 40. So I'm shooting 45 pounds, and but I don't want to. I'm not looking to be no. Just want to be real fit. I'm not looking to be no cut up bodybuilder. There's nothing wrong with that, but I'm old now. Wrists hurt, knees hurt, but hopefully the knees start feeling better when I get some of this weight off. Have a wonderful day in your neighborhood. This is for my transformation challenge for bodybuilding.com. Make sure you join. Let's support each other. Let me finish taking this crapola.